Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about 5 ways that microcontrollers maximize patient care. And for each of these 5 points, I'm also going to show you an example from one of our products here at Consuma. You're in for a blast if you're new here. Trust me, it's going to be fun. Then I would love it if you could subscribe so you can join us back here every week for new videos where we explore the amazing world of microcontrollers and the endless possibilities they offer. Alright, let's dive straight into this and see what's going on. Let's jump right in and see what's happening. The first way that microcontrollers maximize patient care is by ensuring precise and consistent medication delivery. Medication errors are actually the most common type of medical error with potentially fatal consequences. Microcontrollers enable medical equipment to deliver the right drug at the right dose at the right time and through the right route of administration, reducing the potential for human error. Here at Co, we have an example of this with our smart syringe pump, which precisely controls the flow rate of intravenous injections. This ensures that patients receive the correct dosage of medication over a set period, enhancing treatment effectiveness and minimizing side effects. You can see how the syringe pump here works. It just got the syringe attached, and all you need to do is load your medication into the syringe. Close the cap and press the ejector button, and it does everything automatically for you. You can even set the dose and the dose rate. And when that's all done, it will stop pumping and alert you. So this really shows how microcontrollers are able to maximize patient safety and improve treatment outcomes. The next way that microcontrollers maximize patient care is by enabling accurate diagnostics and monitoring. By integrating sensors and microcontrollers into medical devices, equipment can continuously collect and analyze patient data such as heart rate, blood pressure, oxygen saturation, and body temperature. Sensors and microcontrollers in medical devices can track and analyze patient data like heart rate, blood pressure, and temperature continuously. Medical devices use sensors and microcontrollers to constantly track and analyze patient data like heart rate, blood pressure, and temperature. This real-time monitoring allows for early detection of abnormalities and prompt interventions, ultimately leading to better patient outcomes. A great example of this is our Masimo Mighty Sat, a wearable device that uses microcontrollers. And pulse oximetry technology to continuously monitor a patient's saturation levels, heart rate, and perfusion. The Mighty Sat sends these readings directly to a smartphone app, allowing healthcare providers to remotely keep tabs on patients' conditions. For instance, after surgery, a patient can wear the Mighty Sat while recovering at home, and their vital signs can be monitored from afar, reducing hospital readmissions and improving post-operative care. You can see how easy it is to use. You just clip it onto your finger like so. And yeah, you don't have to be a medical professional to use it because it is so simple and intuitive that you can send your results directly from your phone straight to the doctor. Another way that microcontrollers maximize patient care is by personalizing treatments. Every patient is unique and may require customized treatment plans. Microcontrollers allow medical devices to adapt to individual patient needs by adjusting therapy parameters based on patient response and feedback. This personalized approach enhances the effectiveness of treatments and improves patient comfort and adherence to therapy. Check out our Nebuium. It's a super cool smart nebulizer that makes breathing easier. Now what makes it smart is the fact that the microcontroller inside of it allows it to track real-time medication delivery and remaining medication. It totally matches up with what the doctor said to do, right? Now, by integrating this with the Co app, you can see exactly how much medication has been delivered and how much is left in the chamber. This allows the patient to work closely with their healthcare provider to personalize their asthma treatment plan and track their progress over time. This level of personalization helps patients take control of their health and make informed decisions about their respiratory care, ultimately improving treatment outcomes. So you can see it's really simple to use. All you need to do is put the medication into the chamber like so, press the power button, and it starts working immediately. Moving on to another exciting application, the fourth way that microcontrollers maximize patient care is through remote patient monitoring and telehealth. The Massimo Sat is super cool. It sends patient data right to your smartphone app, making it super easy to keep track of everything. How awesome is that? This enables remote patient monitoring, allowing healthcare professionals to monitor patients in their homes and provide virtual care. Microcontrollers facilitate communication between medical devices and healthcare providers, enabling seamless data exchange and collaboration, ultimately improving patient care and reducing healthcare costs. Another great example of this is our Cardio, which is a compact and portable electrocardiogram device. It's really revolutionary because it makes ECGs easy and accessible anywhere and anytime. And the Cardio incorporates microcontrollers that allow for immediate data acquisition and analysis, providing patients and healthcare providers with quick insights into cardiac health. The Cardio uses microcontrollers for fast heart health data and insights. So yeah, you can see it right here. All you need to do is place the pads like this, and then press the button and it starts the ECG. When the test is complete, you can view the results on the device or wirelessly transmit them to a smartphone or computer for further analysis and diagnosis. Once the test wraps up, you can check the results right on the device or easily send them to your phone or computer for a deeper look. When the test is done, you can check the results right on the device or quickly send them to your phone or computer for a closer look. Finally, the fifth way that microcontrollers maximize patient care is through robotic assistance in minimally invasive procedures. Microcontrollers combined with robotics allow for greater precision and control during surgeries, resulting in reduced invasiveness, faster healing times, and improved patient recovery. While we don't have any robotic medical devices here at Goa, I wanted to share an example of a product that I personally used and was blown away by. The Da Vinci system by Intuitive Surgical makes surgery less invasive using cool robotics. The system allows surgeons to operate with enhanced precision and dexterity, reducing trauma to surrounding tissues and improving surgical outcomes. Now these are just a few examples of how microcontrollers are revolutionizing healthcare and maximizing patient care. In each of these applications, microcontrollers play a crucial role in enhancing treatment effectiveness, improving patient outcomes, and enabling new possibilities in medical technology. Microcontrollers are key in making treatments better, boosting patient results, and opening up new doors in medical tech. As we continue to explore the world of microcontrollers, we will undoubtedly uncover even more innovative ways that they are transforming the healthcare industry and ultimately improving the lives of patients worldwide. Diving deeper into microcontrollers, we'll discover even more cool ways they're changing healthcare and making life better for patients all around the globe. Exciting stuff, right? Microcontrollers are shaking up healthcare in amazing ways, making life better for patients everywhere. Pretty cool, huh? What do you think? Are there any other ways that microcontrollers maximize patient care? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts. What do you think? How else can microcontrollers improve patient care? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I can't wait to hear from you. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest content. If you liked this video, smash that thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our latest stuff. Catch you later, and keep those creative ideas flowing. Happy innovating, friends!